Hey, this is for all those high school welding students out there wanting to go to Kentucky Welding Institute because it's the best, but we know there's a price tag associated with that. So how do you pay for it? Well, here's how. On September 1st, we're having the first ever Metalworks Expo here at the Kentucky Welding Institute, and we're bringing in a slew of financial experts to help you pay for a Kentucky Welding Institute education. On September 1st at the Metalworks event, we will have Fast for Reps helping you fill out the application or learning what to do during your senior year to get federal student aid. WIOA, the Workforce Innovation Opportunity Act, they give out grants. In some instances, students coming here get $4,000, $8,000. They get mileage paid for, but all that money going towards KWI. We're also going to have the National Guard here if you want to sign up, serve your country, and get some tuition paid that way. We will have former students who have earned the Mike Rowe Foundation Scholarship, showing you how they did that. We're also going to have the American Welding Society. Obviously, Stephanie Hoffman is coming and she's going to give out a scholarship that day. We're also going to have the regional office here showing you how to fill out the application for AWS scholarships for your senior year. Lots of ways to pay for your schooling here at the Kentucky Welding Institute. So show up September 1st at the Metalworks Expo. We know it's summer. Call your teachers, your welding instructors, your ag teachers. Tell them this is the place to be September 1st. You want to go to KWI, you want to forge your future in the career of welding, then you need to be here to learn how to pay for that education.